In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset the App Store balance to $0. So the first step is to simply open any browser, and then you're gonna have to simply search for Contact Apple Support and then simply tap on the first link. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down and then tap on App Store. Now you're gonna have to scroll down and tap on subscriptions and purchases at the top. And then here, what you're gonna have to do is simply select enable to purchase. And then we're gonna have to simply click on continue here. And then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and then we're gonna have to choose chat. So simply select the chat option. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter your first and last name. Then here you're gonna have to simply enter your app store app store email. So let me type in something similar to this. And then basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter the item title. So this you can leave it optional. And then here you're gonna have to simply say that you want to reset your balance to $0. So you can type in I want to reset my balance to $0. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on continue, and then you're gonna have to simply wait until the Apple support will start chat with you. So don't leave this is very important because you don't have to leave this page, so don't close this page, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.